Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and it's giving you on the display an EF1 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, what it is that the dryer detects that the exhaust vent is blocked. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the exhaust vent is in fact not blocked. And so you're just going to want to check all the lint screens, all the hosing and everything like that, where the exhaust goes, and make sure that you're getting proper airflow throughout the whole thing. Now, if everything looks good, if the airflow is fine and you're still getting this error, then you might have an issue with one of your thermistors, either the inlet or the outlet thermistor, which has burnt out or the wiring is disconnected and it's causing this error. So you would need to actually check the wiring on these thermistors, get a multimeter, make sure they're working. And if you end up deciding you need to replace a thermistor, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial in terms of changing thermistor and a link in terms of where you can buy a thermistor. It's cheap and relatively easy to do.